channel because we want to save our planet! We have loads of brilliant and fun ideas that you can make and do that will help you and your family be more green. Woo! It's amazing what you can do from clothes and things that you already have. Today, we're making BEESWAX WRAPS. BEESWAX WRAPS are fantastic alternative to cling film and foil to keep food fresh. The problem with the cling film is that this is a single-use plastic and may contain very harmful toxins. This is very bad for our ocean because it is killing and choking our poor fish. Take a look. Cling film cannot be recycled and ends up in landfill where it stays for hundreds and hundreds of years. BEESWAX WRAPS are washable and they're super cool presents for granny and granddads, aunties and uncles, or mum and dad. You will need beeswax bars or pellets. We think pellets are better because you don't need to grate them and ruin your cheese grater. Cotton cloth of various sizes. It must be 100% cotton. Metal baking trays. Oil. We are using jojoba oil, but you can use other light oils. Guys, jojoba oil, like Father Christmas. Yeah, he'll probably use that to get down the chimney. Otherwise, how'd he do without making a sound? And an old paintbrush. Ooh, look at this one. This one. Some pine resin. This makes sure that it isn't crinkled. Some baking paper. Here's a quick recap. Which is a really nice pattern. Next, I'm going to go preheat the oven. See you in a minute, guys. So now we are going to preheat the oven to about 150. So there we go. We just leave that to heat. While it's warming up, we are going to do the really fun part. Back the pine resin into a fine powder. The pine resin stops the beeswax wrap from becoming stiff and cracked. So let's do this. First, you must move your trays. We need to move our trays. We get our rolling pin and you begin to bash. Okay? You want it to be like fine powder, just like that at the bottom. And then you can also just do this. You just crunch it down, crunch it down, crunch it down. It's a bit easier just crunching it down. Yeah, just roll it. Or you might be able to use that hammer. You're very strong, then you can use muscles. Okay, guys, I think we've nearly done. Now now we've got some nice fine powder, we're going to separate it from the big lumpy bits by putting it into a bowl. Let's try and get some good bits. Look at that, that's all goodness. Okay, I'm going into that little corner that has quite a lot. Yeah. You've got to be very careful you don't spill any. Now, we are ready to sprinkle our pellets. After that one, we're in that. So make sure it's all spread out. Here you are. Mine is pretty big, so we need like 2 full. Make sure it's spread out because if you get too much on, then it will easily leak through. Okay, let's do mine. Now it's time to add the pine resin. If you use 2 spoonfuls of beeswax, you will use 1 spoonful of pine resin. So I will take a teaspoon and only get half of it, and then sprinkle on my mini one. You need to make sure that it's exactly half, otherwise it might not work. Jojoba oil. We only need 2 or 3 drops for a little one. So I'm just going to put 2 drops on it. And 1, 2, 3 drops in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 drops in here. When this jojoba oil gets hot, it will all spread out. There we go. I probably need like 7, maybe 6. I think has it should be good. Oh. This reminds me of making pizza. Pizza. That's right. Harry's one could be good for wrapping up pizza. Guys, I think we're ready to cook them. So, and I think you're right. Yep, so let's go to the kitchen. Come on, guys, you're coming with us. Let's go downstairs. Okay, so now we are ready to put our beeswax wraps in the oven. Yeah, that's so we've been leaving our oven to heat. It'll only really take 5 minutes. So first, open up your oven. There we go. Now my turn. Okay, there you go. Has it nicely done there. So, just slide it in. That'll take about 5 minutes. So we're going to go and play. 5 minutes later. So now it has been 5 minutes. There we go. So now we're going to take our brushes and just spread out the beeswax. If your edges aren't sticky enough, like mine, then you might have to put a bit more wax on your edges. And maybe just the tiniest bit on the middle. My wax hasn't quite melted. But for different reasons. The good thing about beeswax wraps is you can always fix your mistakes. So I think mine should be ready by now. There you go. Look at that. Splendid. And I think they can just use a little brush up. There we go. And just flap them about. Put them on the wrap. All these My tiny one. So now I think mine are ready. So I'm going to put my oven gloves on. Open up the oven. Right now, you have to be very careful. I'm going to just try and peel this off like this. Right. Now I'm just going to flop it and pop it down. Now it's my turn. Let's see if mine works. Pretty good. Now I'm just going to peel mine off and gently flap it and then put it on the drying rack and leave it to dry. Okay guys, you can see we've been really busy. I mean, look how many beeswax wraps we've done. I know, there's like so many. So what will happen is it will stick with the heat of your hands. Like this is my mini one for my lemon. Harry has wrapped up a sandwich. So I've wrapped up my sandwich. Yes, these do keep them fresh. They keep the flies off. Flies can't get in or out. It's absolutely perfect and no plastic. These beeswax wraps are really good. Now, if you guys want to send in some pictures or tell us about how you like making these, then please do. Hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe to this video. Goodbye.